Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So something a little bit different today. I was on my way into work this morning, and it was all of a sudden they were talking on Triple M about the $50 note. Now I thought, oh, okay, that sounds interesting. But what they were talking about was the fact that there is a misspelling on the brand new $50 note. So here we have the brand new $50 note, and pretty sure you're all familiar with this note now. It's been in circulation since I think around September, October, somewhere in there in 2018. But what it is behind Edith Cohen's head is some very fine writing in this section here. Now we're going to try and zoom in. Now we'll see how we go. I'll try and hold it, and I've got a little pointer, and hopefully we can see exactly what I'm going to point out here. Okay, so I've zoomed in as far as I possibly can, and we can still see it fairly focused, and hopefully you're watching it from a larger screen, but we'll try and point it out. But the word responsibility is written, I think, at least 3 times in this text. Now, what it is that the word responsibility, so I'll try and point them out with my pointer here. And there's one at the top here, so that one there. There's another one in the middle here, responsibility, and another one down the bottom here, responsibility. Responsibility is spelt incorrectly, so it's missing an I in each of those 3 positions. Now I suppose the question is it an error, or was it intentionally done? Because I understand if it was intentionally done, brilliant, because if it's from a counterfeiting point of view, if someone's truly going to counterfeit one of these notes, they will need to actually do it the right way and spell it correctly. Whereas if it's like this, it's incorrect, and you won't notice that you've done it wrong, therefore it's a counterfeit note. Sorry for the pause there, I just had to pause quickly. So yeah, what do you reckon, guys? Is it intentional? Is it an error? There is so many of these in circulation, millions, so it's never going to hold any value, but just thought it was an interesting thing to create discussion on, and love to hear your feedback. Alright guys, that's it for today. Look forward to bringing more videos to you soon. Thanks for watching.